Hello, my friends. I have some incredible items to share with you today. And there's 3 items, and I honestly don't know which one to show you first because they're all going to kind of knock your socks off. Well, one is the least amount to knock your socks off if I had to pick. So we're going to do this one first. Now, it's always very important to have get well cards handy, right? Because, you know, people are always getting sick or they just need a little pick-me-up or something like that. This is the perfect set for that. So it's called Get Well. Let's see what it's called officially. Get well soon to stamp. And it says get well soon, huh? So you could say get well or get well soon and then feel better. Sorry to hear that you are not feeling well. Hope this card will brighten your day and help you feel better in every way. I wish I was there to take care of you. That's perfect for mommies or that have kids that are sick far away, because I always think that when my kids are sick, when I'm not there. Wishing you a speedy recovery and hope you find strength with each new day. Just such an uplifting get well soon. And then these cute little Twiggy things, and we have some great samples to share with you on that. So we'll show you those also. Actually, let's show you those now. So here I have one, Get Well Soon. And don't you love how they use the little twigs on the side? I just thought those were really pretty. So that's Get Well Soon. Then I know I have a couple more. Here's one, Get Well Soon. I love that. Here's one with a flower. It says Get Well Feel Better Soon, which is so cute. Isn't that beautiful on the flower, stamped on the leaves? And that might be all the ones I have on that one. Now, the next one I have to share with you is this. And I know in the packaging it looks not much like anything, right? It just looks like you're like, huh? But those of you that know, and I'm looking for one over there on the wall and I don't see one, the original Boxit Die that we brought out that literally flew off the shelves. We had to reorder it, I think, 3 or 4 times before we could catch up with all of your orders. This turns any die into a box. So this is a mini version of that. So for example, I could take our little toaster, see how cute our little toaster is, and make it into a box now. Now, a lot of people were saying too with the original Boxit, they said, oh, I love it so much, but it's a little too big for the treats I want to use. Now you can use the smaller. So you can use this Boxit, the smaller Boxit, on any shape or any size die, especially the foldeds. You can still use the foldeds, but it would be for something smaller to put inside. So this is using the little toaster. Here's one using our little baby carriage. Can you imagine putting in for a baby shower, putting a little yummy in there, or just a little chocolate or something fun at the table? It's a girl, isn't it cute? Here's one, oh, isn't this cute? You light up my life, and there's a little tea candle in there, you know, the little battery ones. Isn't that sweet? And actually, you can turn it this way too. So I don't know what, oh yeah, that's the back, sorry. But look, isn't that cute? You can put it, poking it through. You light up my life. Isn't that beautiful? Here's one, oh, look at this. Isn't this cute? Using our little beehive with some honey sticks. And it does stand up. I was really surprised to see that it did stand up. I was like, wow, that's impressive. And I just think that is adorable. And then, let's see, here we have one. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And it has little lemonade, what are these? Crystal lights in there. Isn't that cute? What a cute little treat just to give to somebody that needs just a little pick-me-up. I just think it's fantastic. So that's the small, I think we're calling it a small Boxit Die. So make sure you pick up that. Any die shape can be, including, hello, I didn't even point out, this was made using words. That made a box. Isn't that fantastic? Look, you can see the little box right there. It's fantastic. It's so easy. Now, the next one is one that I'm really proud of. I saw some scissors that would do this, and I thought, scissors? Scissors are a bad word in the Stamps of Life. I want to die for that. So I designed this. Now I know, again, looks like not much, but what it does is it creates fringe. Look at this. It creates fun fringe, and look at how fun that is. So this one is all fringed out. So pretty. Hello, thinking of you. And it can be as high up or as flat as you want. So here's a sample. Here's one with them popped up a little bit more. Isn't that awesome? I love, I'm going to have so much fun with this one. Here's another example of it just as a little decoration fringe on there. Okay, I'm going to show you that one last. Oh, here's one, making it into grass, because there's two lengths here. There's a short length and a longer length, so you can make grass. Oh, here's a gorgeous one using fringe. Isn't that fun? I love that. I just love this. Ooh, here's a pretty one. Happy Easter. But wait, there's more, because not only can you make it fringe for a border or something like that for decoration like this, but hello, you can also make flowers out of it. Whoops. Here we used just cardstock to make these pretty flowers. We just rolled them up. Here we used our wool felt and made it a flower. Is that just like, are your socks being knocked off right now? Right? I know. Hello. Is that awesome? So let me show you how easy these are to cut, because it's really important that you see this, how easy and simple this is. So let's make a quick flower. So we're just going to peel these up and get the tape off the back. And we're going to grab the, oops. Oh, get the sticky off. Now we're going to grab our machine, and I'm going to use two different colors. So let me grab a green, and for safety, for quickness sake, we're gonna run this through like that. Well, that didn't work very well. There we go. And we're gonna just grab these two papers, and I'm going to use green and then the cherry. Now, we don't want to cut it like this through our machine, because that's like a speed bump. We want to go long ways, right? And we're gonna go lay that down. We're gonna run this through. Now, there's a lot of blade involved, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it through once and then just run it right back through. It's just as easy to run it back through as it is to poke out all those little pieces. Well, actually, there's not pieces, but we want to make sure it's really cut. So here we have that one. Here we have this one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to roll it. Now, I'm going to use some of our best glue ever. You could also use hot glue if you wanted. I don't like using hot glue because I always hurt myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of glue here. Oh, there we go. And I am going to start rolling this. And I am just going to roll it, roll it, roll it. Keep on rolling. Now I'm going to start poofing these out a little bit. Roll it, roll it. If you want, you can add a little bit more glue. Just roll it, roll it. Now, the tighter you roll it, the smaller it's going to be. If you want it to be bigger, you can kind of like just make it a little bit bigger, not as tight when you roll it. Roll it, roll it. Add a little bit of glue right here at the very tip. Roll it, roll it. Now, normally you kind of like let this sit for a second. If you had like a little bullnose clip or something to hold that closed for a second. Now I'm going to fringe these out a little bit. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Hello, even just one makes the cutest little flower. So we're going to, hopefully that sticks enough. Usually it will. Okay, now let's do the larger one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of glue, and we're going to make this go around it. So we're just going to add a little bit of glue. We're going to lay this inside, and now we're going to roll this one. Roll it, roll it. And your fingers will get a little sticky if you're messy like me, don't worry. That's normal. And I'm going to add a little bit more glue. You can never, I mean, you can have too much glue, but you really can't. And so you could add more glue if you want. And I'm kind of just pinching it. Do you see how I'm pinching it to try to keep it a circle? Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit more. And we're going to squeeze it. And look at our little flower. You can already see it coming alive. Oh my word. Now you can do as many colors and as many layers as you want, but I just want you to see how cute is that little flower. Isn't that awesome? I love it. It's so fun. So you can definitely have, and if you did it in the felt, you could really make it a flatter flower if you wanted, but look at how cute those look. Aren't they adorable? I love them. Go check out the Fringe Die because it's awesome, and I have a feeling it's going to sell out pretty quick. Club members, of course you get the club discount on all of these products. If you're not in the club, go join now because you are missing out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again at thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye.